Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom report type in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you know, if you want to go to reports and create one, you will go to reports and then you create on your reports, and from there you can see all the type of reports. So all these category are report types. So if you want to create new one or a custom one, you will need to go to setup, and from there you will need just to search for reports type. So here let's just type reports types, and from here we can click on this and we can start creating our report types. So from here we can just click on your custom report type, and from there you can enter the details of the reports that you want to use. For example, you can have your primary objects, or what we see here, they might be your category. So would it concern the accounts or anything? So let's just go for accounts, for example, and from here you can give it a name, my custom. Uh, then you can add report type, some description. So I will just use this and the store in category, in which category you want to use this report type. So let's make it in accounts in contacts, and the deployments, let's just go for deployed, and we will find this in the report wizard. So let's just click on next. You will need just to continue and finish the steps. And from here, you can add all the objects that you want to relate it to. So you can add any objects, for example, activities. And then I'm just going to click on save. And then I will go back to my reports. Let's just refresh. And then I will find my reports types there. So in accounts, then I will search for my custom, and I'm having my custom here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.